What's up everybody, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be on zkLend. Now these guys are going to be, well, it says here on the website, zkLend is a money market protocol combining zk rollup scalability, superior transaction speed and cost savings with the Ethereum security. Now what these guys are basically going to be, they're going to be a platform where you can deposit, lend, borrow, stake crypto money basically. That's going to be on Ethereum's layer 2 on the starknet network. Now these guys have two parts to their protocol, Artemis and Apollo. The difference between them is one of them is for everyday DeFi user like me and you, and the other one is for institutional clients. Apart from that, I think they're going to run pretty much the same way, you know, enables users to deposit, borrow and lend crypto money in an efficient and decentralized manner on starknet. So for those of you guys that are interested in this protocol and you want to get involved, the way to do that is obviously the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go ahead and join their Discord server. Now once you've gone ahead and done that, you can then go over to their Questboard, and this is it here. So you want to go ahead and create yourself a profile. Now once you do that, if you click either here or up in the top right here, you go onto your profile and you can change stuff. You can change your name, you can change the other icon here, and then the most important thing is you can connect your Discord, Twitter and your Argent X wallet address. So you have to make sure you do those three things in order to be able to do these quests here. Now what these guys have got, they've got ongoing weekly quests, and you can go ahead and complete these quests in order to gain XP. And by doing this, you know, you can earn yourself some roles on the Discord server and maybe make yourself eligible for any potential future airdrops and stuff like that. So looking at mine here, when you first create your account, you're going to have more options and more quests to do, because I've already completed some of them. That's why some of them are missing. And the way you go and complete these quests is just by simply clicking on one of them here. Say for example we wanted to make a blog, make sure you read this and make sure that your blog then meets the requirements of what it's looking for. So you want to go ahead and create a blog on, you know, whatever website, and then you want to copy the URL, paste it in here, and then click on claim reward, and then it will be reviewed by one of the team and you will be awarded the 200 XP as long as you stuck to the requirements. So they've got a bunch of different quests that you can do each week. This week there was a couple of them to do on Reddit, you know, by following the blog post on Reddit. A couple of different Twitter ones for liking and retweeting and asking questions. There was one where you could make some art as well using some website. You could create a poster basically, and yeah, a bunch of others as well. So like I said, every time you do these quests, they will give you some XP. XP will go up, and then you will level up as well. And by doing so, like I said, you can achieve certain roles in the Discord server and also qualify yourself for any potential upcoming airdrops. And yeah, so they've got a leaderboard as well where you can check where you are compared to other people too. So this is the best way to get yourself involved in zkLend. Also, they also do giveaways and Friday specials and stuff like that, so you need to keep up to date with the Discord server as well. And yeah, so thanks for listening guys. If you did like the video, please subscribe. I also do have my own Discord server, so I'll leave a link to that in the description of the video. And as always, until next time, bye.